Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through this week's market action. All the indices except the Russell closed higher for the week. The Dow and S&P 500 managed to hit new all-time highs, each gaining 0.6% on the week. The Nasdaq rallied 1.1%. Materials led the sectors with a 3.4% gain. Consumer discretionary added 1.75%. Industrials, 1.5%. Healthcare was the biggest laggard this week, closing down 1.1%. Energy lost 0.8%. Turning to this week's biggest headlines, Micron was one of the top performers in the S&P 500, rallying 18% this week off the back of its earnings report. The memory chip maker said sales rose 93% year over year thanks to, quote, robust AI demand. Micron's first quarter outlook also topped Wall Street's estimates, projecting significantly improved profitability in fiscal 2025. An AI stock experiencing downside? Supermicro. The Wall Street Journal reported that the Justice Department is investigating the company. It says the prosecutor asked for information connected to a former employee who accused the company of accounting violations and filed a whistleblower lawsuit in April. Supermicro plunged 12% on Thursday, recovered some of those losses on Friday, but fell 8% on the week. A 10-for-1 stock split will go into effect after the market close on September 30th. And Chinese stocks rallied after the country announced major economic stimulus measures. The People's Bank of China this week announced a cut to the amount of cash banks need to have on hand and outlined plans to support its housing market, like cutting interest rates on existing mortgages. Companies trading in the U.S. like Alibaba, Baidu, and JD climbed double digits on the news. China's large cap ETF rallied 18.5% this week. On Friday afternoon, Bloomberg reported that Beijing urged Chinese companies to pick local AI chips over Nvidia. According to Bloomberg, the policy has taken the form of guidance rather than an outright ban, but Nvidia closed down 2% on Friday. Looking ahead to next week, we'll get comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Monday. On the economic calendar, jobs will be in focus with JOLTS, jobless claims, and September's jobs report on tap. We'll also get PMI and ISM manufacturing and services data. For earnings, Nike and Levi step up to report. Conagra and Constellation Brands will give insight into consumer staples. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.